Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we will disassemble and open the box of the Anbernic RG406H device, which comes with a CPU Unisoc T820 octa-core processor with graphics processing unit quad-core Mali G57. The Anbernic RG406H comes with 4-inch IPS screen, full OCA layer, multi-touch, 960 by 720 resolution. With operating system Android 13 and 8 GB, RAM LPDR4, and internal storage space 128 GB UFS 2, and multi-language with support Android games, and more than 30 other types of simulators. Support users to download games in different. We will disassemble the device and take a detailed look at the internal parts of the device and the supercooling unit with 6-axis, gyroscope sensor, high-speed fan with heat pipe for active heat dissipation, motherboard, and review large-angle 3D joystick.